Say hi!
Hello!
I finally got it! Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click the subscribe button because weird things like that happen on this channel. But anyways, we're in Ikea. Look, this kid is going for it too. Go baby, go! Go, 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 go! Alright guys, so what we're doing today is, it just got dark out of nowhere. Okay then, so what we're doing today is we're setting up a little, since we got rid of the fish tank, we're setting up a small little office space for me since Anthony has his own desk. Anthony has his own desk and he won't share.
I hate sharing.
So I have to get my own. So we're in Ikea and we're getting all the nice Ikea stuff ready to make this an Instagram ready desk area. Oh my god, this lighting in here is perfect.
Oh, lighting, I'm thinking of sliding on like
Lighting.
thanks for this lighting.
Yeah, Mason's going. Baby, where you going? Baby, where you going? Where you going? Okay, I think Ikea is officially his favorite store ever. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like everything that's here, it looks so much smaller. Like, for example, look at this desk. It looks so short. And like these desks too. I'm coming, baby. So because I'm sharing that wall with Mason's toys, we're gonna make him a little toy area too. And my desk kind of has to be very small and compact, but still have enough space for everything. Right, kiddo? No? Yeah. So we're kind of gonna get him a little desk and chair from here too, since everything is so cheap and small and compact anyways, it'll all fit. Alright guys, so this is the desk that I'm gonna go with. It has like only one drawer and I have to get things to like organize the inside. And then I'm gonna get this little thing to go on the side of it so I could have space to put things inside there. And I think that will eliminate my charging station area because everything will be tucked in there. It'll look neat and not messy and it'll work out hopefully. Hi. Hi. Hi.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Your phone, you left your phone at home, baby. Stop. Can you stop? This kid. Huh? This is the aftermath of Mason being in Ikea for too long. He has like Cinnabon all over him. We're down one Cinnabon over here while we're waiting for the line. And this one is being, he's gonna kick you. You okay? Again. Whoa, whoa, whoa!
You suck! You suck! Yeah!
Alright guys, really quickly, this is like this part of the video is like 2 days later from when we went to Ikea. I had to work the next day, so we didn't really get to set up the desk and stuff like that, so we're gonna do that right now and hopefully it gets done tonight while this kid is being distracted. Boogie!
You better not get out.
Oh my god, he looks like he's gonna throw himself out. Whoa, you got your first crash. Step 1, vacuum. Alright guys, step 2, taking it out of the box. and setting it up. Alright guys, so this is the desk. Yes, it looks very small because it is small, but that's not the way it should be, so you'll see it in another vlog. Well, you'll see it when it's done, because now Anthony wants to do the other part tomorrow because it's like 12 o'clock in the night and he has to work tomorrow. But, so yeah, this is this part. Alright guys, this is the final look of the desk and the drawer next to each other. These people are over here, but so I have my plant, my hourglass from Target, my little tray with my stones and everything. This chair is so comfortable even though it looks so small. And here is Mason's toy box. If you guys seen the before, you guys seen the clutter. This will be gone and it'll just be his like cars and all that stuff. But yes, this is the final look guys. And then these things, I have rails to go right here, but I don't know if I exactly want to put them there anymore. And then I'm getting a desktop, so all of that, and maybe some art there somewhere, some play the art for there, and then some nice like black and white art for my side. But this is the final look guys. So yeah, this is like a small spaced office in an apartment. Thank you guys for watching. If you're not subscribed already, please subscribe, because I'm planning on doing more of these kind of videos aside from vlogging, and my family is very weird, so just subscribe so you can see us. Thank you guys for watching. 2 fingers.